Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to explain you about the economics project that you need to do during your summer vacation. Before I begin, I want you all to take out your books and pens so that you can jot down the points. Let's start. Cover page. Let's see what all things will be included in your cover page. Name, your roll number. You can write your previous year's roll number, students. Standard and division. School, that is name of your school. And the topic. And your topic is disaster management. So once again, what all things you are going to include in your cover page? Your name, roll number, standard and division, name of your school, and the topic. And your topic is disaster management. Once you are done with your cover page, your next step will be completing the index. And let's see what all things will be included in the index. Number 1, what is disaster management? Number 2, you are going to include any 3 topics out of these 4. Earthquake, landslides, floods, famines. So choice is yours. You can select any 3 topics out of these. Okay. Then number 3, causes and effects of each. Number 4, mitigation strategy for each after the natural disaster occur. Then finally, bibliography. So once again, your index. Number 1, you need to write what is disaster management. Number 2, we'll have subtopics: earthquake, landslide, floods, famines. You can select any 3 out of these. Then causes and effects of each, mitigation strategy for each, and at the end, bibliography. Okay, now let me explain you these things in detail. Students, do you know what is disaster management? Disaster management refers to the conservation of lives and property during natural or man-made disaster. So you'll explain what is disaster management in detail. Then you're going to select any 3 topics out of this and you need to explain in detail about earthquake, landslides, floods and famines. Then you need to explain causes and effects of each. For example, floods. How are floods caused? Yes, due to heavy rainfall. And what about famines? Due to scarcity of rainfall. These are the causes. And what are the effects? Like, what is the effect after an earthquake occur? Yes, many people die, isn't it? There will be damage to property as well. So I hope you have understood causes and effects, right? Now next move on to mitigation strategy. Students, what is mitigation strategy? Mitigation is the effort to reduce loss of life and property by lessening the impact of disasters. Okay. Now, for example, after an earthquake, what will be the mitigation strategy? Yes, to rescue the people, proper rehabilitation for the people, right? So, you will be writing about the mitigation strategy for each, that is for each natural disaster after the natural disaster occur. Okay, so I hope it's clear, students. Then comes the bibliography. Bibliography is the list of sources you need to mention wherein you get the information, like books, magazines, newspapers, Wikipedia, etc. Draw or stick pictures related to the topic on the left hand side of the page. So left hand side of the page you are going to draw or stick the pictures related to the topic, and on the right hand side you are going to write the information about the topic. Okay. You can use assignment sheets or foolscape paper. You may be having last year's assignment sheets, right? You can use those assignment sheets. If you don't have, you can use the foolscape paper. Project must be handwritten. No need to type. Okay, you have to write it. It must be handwritten. Minimum 10 pages. So your project will comprise of 10 pages. Once you are done with the project, you need to tie the pages with satin ribbon, or you can do spiral binding, or else you can staple along the left side end of the page at 3 places. I hope it's clear, students. Once again, I'll repeat. Your cover page, you need to write name, roll number, standard, division, school, topic, that is disaster management. Your index, you need to write what is disaster management. You can select any 3 topics out of these: earthquake, landslide, floods, famines, causes and effects of each, mitigation strategy for each after the natural disaster occur, bibliography, draw or stick pictures related to the topic on the left hand side of the page. You can use assignment sheets or foolscape paper. Your project must be handwritten, minimum 10 pages. Once the project is done, you can tie the pages with satin ribbon, or you can do spiral binding, or you can staple along the left side end of the page at 3 places. I hope it's clear, students. Happy vacation. Meet you after vacation. Till then, bye and take care.